everyone. So today in Excel tutorial video we are going to learn 5 Excel trick which is the really helpful for every Excel users. Okay, so let's get started today video. By the way, I'm using the OneDrive Live, so it's little bit different from the my Office 365. So first example our is the we have the sample data, employee ID, name, department, age, gender, salary, joining date, and city. If you can see that this is data in vertical, header in vertical, vertical is column and row is horizontal. Okay, so this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. So if you want to convert this data into the horizontal way, so how you can do? So for this, here we use trans pose function we use and simply select this array. You don't need to do anything and hit enter, and here you can see your data is here in horizontal. This is the vertical. Okay, header is, and header now is here in horizontal way, so you can see. Okay, so we can convert the into the our data in horizontal and vertical as per our requirement. Let's move the next our example. Here you can see that we have the sample data and the employee ID, name, score, and performance rating column. We need to give the performance rating excellent, very good, good, average. Okay, so how we can give? So simply we can type manually, but if we have the longer data and you want to become the smart Excel user, so how you can do? So here we use switch function. Okay, equal and switch function we use type true. Okay, because the we are give the condition here, that's why we use true function, true. Okay, simply comma and value. So value where is, this is the value. Okay, and greater than equal and give the 19 comma and excellent. Okay, double quotation comma. So this is the first our logic test. Here you can see. Now the second value, again select this, greater than equal, this time 80 comma double quotation, very good, double quotation comma, again select this, greater than equals 70 comma double quotation, this time good, double quotation comma, again select this, greater than equal, and this time we type the 60 and comma double quotation average. Okay, double quotation comma, and last we give poor if something is not matched. Okay, so here you can see we give the criteria, simple, close parenthesis and hit enter, and simply select and don't need to drag, simple double click and you can see boom. Okay, so you can give the performance with this way. Alright, here you can see this is the mail ID, this is the my official mail ID, but I want to the separate the gmail.com. So how we can? So for this, what we can use here, equal text after function we can use. Simple. The first parameter is text. Select this text, comma delimiter. Delimiter means how which how to separate. Okay. So I want to separate from the at the rate. So double quotation, at the rate, double quotation, close parenthesis and hit enter. And here you can see we are separate successfully gmail.com. Okay, let's move the next our the data. How to use the if and end function together. Here you can see the name function, mark and attendance and result. We need to find the result with the if and end. If function we use the logical test, and end function. End function what is? End function, I always says, suppose end equal both condition should be met. This is the simple means simple word. And if you are using the or function, so or is optional. At least optional. So at least one condition should be met. Okay, so this is the uh, trick. Only just need to you remember and mean the both conditions should be met, and or each on at least the one condition should be met. Okay, so this is the simple uh, meaning of this function. So here, how to use the if and and function together. So equal, here we use equal. I'm sorry, remove this. Okay. Here equal, here we use if function and end function. Next end function logic. We need to give the logic. Okay. So select this. Yeah. If you are confused from this, so you can simply type the B33. Okay. So B column and 33 row. Okay. Greater than equals 60 comma. Again select this, but it's something the confuse us, so we can type C double three, sorry, double three greater than equal, and here this time we type the 0.75 because this is the percentage. Okay, and close parenthesis comma true. If true, so then pass comma otherwise fail. Double quotation, close parenthesis and hit enter. And you can see result is here. Okay. So this is the way of the how to use the if and end function together. And meet two conditions should be met. If I change here the something, so then fail, but I want to show you the how to use the or function. So or function, simple or function, here I add, and let's check it out. The what is happening. So see, at least the one condition match. That's why it says all pass. Okay, so this is the little bit different. So that's why I remind you what is the difference between the and or function. Okay, okay. So this is the really helpful the tricks, and last trick I want to show you. If I am working on this column, but you need to the focus on this cell, so how you can do? So simply select this cell, and here view tab, and just open and focus cell. Select this opens. So when you working this which column or which row, so you can see, you can highlight your cell row with this way. Okay, so this is the really helpful feature, and if you want to change color, so you have the color option. So here, so different kind of color we have. So suppose I want to the this color, so you. So that's about this video. I hope this video is helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. Stress you next video.